Hello friends, this is Sohan and you are watching Technical Spark. In this video I will show you how to enable or disable startup programs in your Windows 11 PC. I know due to unnecessary programs are automatically getting started on your machine, due to which computer is getting very slow. So no worries guys, I will show you the best way to fix this step by step. To do that, click on the Windows button and go to the settings. Once settings are open, click on the apps. And in apps, check for the last option, which is startup. Select that, and here you will see all the option which is by default getting open when your computer starts. For an example, there I could see there's a couple of options are already been disabled by me, but still some of the options are on, which means enabled. As you can see, the by default antivirus is enabled, which is Bitdefender. So make sure guys you don't touch the antivirus. Okay, leave it on because it scan your machine. Just review all the options available here one by one very carefully. Don't turn off any system application. Okay, right now I don't require Teams, so I'm going to disable that, as well as this is the iTunes helper. So whenever I record, I will manually start it. So these two options are not required, and this is how you can disable the unnecessary application in your machine. Once done, simply close this. This is how you can enable or disable startup programs on your machine to speed up your computer. Guys, that's it in this video. I hope you have found this video useful. If so, please click on the like button and don't forget to share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.